But how often does a real lab reverse those field test findings? More than you might think. We obtained all the negative drug test reports from the GBI crime lab and then researched to see how many of those started with a positive field test. We confirmed 145 false positives in just 1 year, wrongly implicating Georgians of all races in all parts of our state. The test kits got it wrong 11 times for heroin, 24 times for ecstasy, 40 times for cocaine, 64 times for meth. All of those field test failures.
So there is weed in the car? No, there's no weed in the car.
Rockdale County deputies pull over Ed McFadden because of a busted tag light. The deputy smells marijuana, which McFadden blames on a friend who had driven the truck earlier.
Since I smell the weed, I'm gonna search the car. Go ahead, go.
They don't find any marijuana, but according to their drug field test, they find something far more serious. Crack cocaine. Listen to what the deputy says next.
That's fine. Kids don't lie. Man, I don't do no drugs. Oh, man, turn around. I don't.
2 days after missing work and paying a bail bondsman, McFadden got his truck out of impound and realized sometimes test kits do lie.
As soon as I seen those candy wrappers, I said, breath mess. Anybody was telling that, nobody believed me.
In fact, the incident reports list false positives for things many of us might have in our car or home. This Macon woman had an open bag of blue cotton candy in her car. Check out her reaction when Monroe County deputies told her the field test indicated she was a meth dealer.
He just kept asking me, "Is there something you need to tell me? You know, we can go ahead and talk about this right now." And I was like, "Yeah, I want to tell you to test that again."
Instead, she spent 3 months in jail, unable to make a $1 million cash bond. The crime lab ultimately cleared her, but not before Daisha Fincher missed the birth of her twin grandsons and wasn't there to comfort her daughter through a miscarriage.
And I thought it was my fault that she had a miscarriage, and that was hard because I couldn't put my arms around her. So that was really hard on me.